Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Tazif sir. I know you all are know me. Okay, and now today, students, we are starting our new sessions. But before starting our new sessions, what we daily see, we see here the quote. So today's quote is what? Never give up because great things take a time. What we have to dream our dream is what? Big. We are living a big house, big bungalows. So what it builds, and it builds to take a time, so much time. So now we are studying, then after you are make a what? Doctor. Your future, you make your future bright. So what you at that time what to do? That time we want a time, but which time? Study. So never give up because great things take a time. Means a great things means your dreams is a great for you. So it's a take a time. Understood? Now we are going to learn today's what we are going to learn. But before we starting what anything, let's check here what we have done in previous sessions. But students, what we have done in previous sessions, before I am telling you, I hope you are sit with your rough book or any book. Okay, here we are utilize the book. Okay, book means any notebooks, any rough book, whatever we are daily using. Otherwise you don't gain anything during the lectures. You are not taking anything. Okay, all students. So I hope you are sit with your books and note down an important topic and important instructions you are mentioned in your book. I hope you are taking. Okay, now we have done in previous sessions a revision exercise number 4a, question number 4 multiply, then after question number 5 multiplication problems, and then after multiplying by 8 times tables. In last lecture, students, we have done what? Revision exercise number 4a, question number 4 multiply, and question number 5 multiplication problems, and then after multiply by 8 timetables. It's a revision. We have done question number 5 multiplication problems and multiplying by 8, but we have left here 8 timetables. Okay, and now to students, today we are going to learn, or today's content is what? A revision of previous sessions last lecture. Then after exercise number 4b, question number 3 complete. Then after question number 5 fill in the blanks, and then after question number 4 and 5 use the find the second product. Use the first fact to find the second product. I hope you all are understood. Again and again I am telling you, students, because of you know very well what to do in the lectures. Okay, so now students, I hope you remember, and I hope you learn this all table. You learn this table 8 times table. So now here first of all revise the table number 8. Here we revise the table number 8. So students, here we speak. You all students speak with me. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 14, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, and 8 tens are 18. I hope you all are understood. And then students, again I am repeating you table 8 times tables. I think you are writing with me, all students. So otherwise you don't write, so please write with me in your rough page, in your rough work and your rough book. Okay, so now again I am repeating you. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 14, 8 5s are 14, 8 6s are 48, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72. Then after 8 10s are 80, 8 10s are 80. Okay students, this is your 8 times tables. I have wrote on this slide. So students, you must be do in your rough book. This all answer you are fill in this homework. Okay, every time we are revision, do the again and again do the revision of. So now I am repeating you all students. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 14, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 18. Got my point all students. Now we move on exercise number 4b, multiplication. Okay, chapter number 4, multiplication. In exercise number 4b, question number 1. What is the question number 1? We have done solve the keep rules of the multiplication in our mind. Okay, so question number 1 is our done, but which question number 1 is our rajma seeds. Okay, we done the table by our rajma seeds. And question number 2 is what? Keep the rules of keep the rules of multiplication in our mind. Okay, so now let's check here, solve the keep rules of multiplication in our mind. Now let's check here. Okay, what is the first question? Question number first is 8 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Okay, so one by one we do here the all step. What all students? One by one we do the all step. So first of all, what here all students? 8 multiplied by 8. Let's see here. 8 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Okay, so I hope you remember all students what is this. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 8. How many all students? 8 8s are we learn. Now we learn the table number 8. 8 8s are 64. Okay, so now this is 8 8s are. Okay, and then after 8 8s are. So 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to how many all students? 8 multiplied by 8. So how many? 64. 8 8s are 64. As like that. 8 8s are 64. Then after 64 and here 64 minus 64. 64 minus 64. So how many all students? 64 minus 64. We have do this here. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So 60 minus 64 minus 64. Okay, we can take out easily. We can take easily 64 minus 64. Understood all students? Now what is the answer? 0. 8 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64. Got my point all students? So 0. Now we move on question number B. Let's check here the question number B. What is the question number B? Let's check. Question number B is what all students? 1 multiplied by 8 and again multiply by 1 and 1 again multiply by 8 and multiply by 1. So what here answer? We don't know. So let's check here one by one all step. 1 multiplied by 8 means 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. I know you remember. Okay, what is the instructions here? Instruction is what here? Keep the rules of multiplication in mind. Here is one point. We have to remember this point. What this point? Any number multiply by 1. What? Any number means here 8. Okay, 8 is any number and 1 multiply by with 1. So product or multiplication answer is itself. Multiplications itself. Any number multiply with 1. So any number multiply with 1. So answer and multiplication product is itself. So 1 8s are 8. Then after again 1 8 1s are 8. here 1 8s are 8 and this 8 here and multiply by this 1. So 8 1s are 8, then after 8 here also. So 8 1s are 8, then after 8 answer is what? And here again 8. So 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 8s are 64, then after 64 multiply by this 1. So 64 multiply by 1. So any number multiply with 1. So what we got answer? Any number multiply with 1. So what we got? Itself, answer itself. So 64, understood? 64 as it is. So any number multiply with 1, so answer is multiplication itself. So here 64 multiply by 1. Understood all students? Got my points? Okay, now we move on. Question number C. Now question number C is what? Question number C is this: 8 multiply by how many times? 1 2 3 4. 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8 and multiply by 0. Got my point all students? So 8 8s are how many all students? First we multiply by 8 and this answer is multiply by 8 and this answer multiply by 8. Understood? Here is one important point to remember, but before this point let's check here what is this. Okay, so 8 multiply by 8 means 8 8s are 64. How many all students? 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So 64 here and 64 multiply by this is 64 multiply by 8. 8 4s are 32. So 2 here and 3 here. 64 multiply by this 8. This 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. 64 multiply by 8. So 64 multiply by 8 means 8 4s are 32. 2 here and 3 is a form of carry. Then after 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3. 49, 50 and 51. So here 51. So answer is what? 64 multiplied by 8 is equal to 512. Now 508 multiply this 8. So 512 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16. 6 here and 1 here. Okay. 6. 8 2s are 6. 8 2s are how many all students? 8 2s are 6. 8 2s are 6. Okay, so 6 here and 1 here. Then after 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then after 8 5s are 14. 8 5s are 14. So 496. What answer is what all students? 496. Got my point all students. Now we are adding. Now see here. See this here. Now this 4 8 is left. Okay, and what we got here? Answer 4096. Now 4096 multiply this 0. So 0 6 are 0. How can we know any number multiply with 0? So answer is 0. That is our most important point. You know, note down this point all students. We have done this point. Okay, which one point is done? Any number multiply with 0. What all students? Any number multiply with 0. So answer is 0. So now let's check here. This 496 multiply this 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 9 are 0. 0 0s are 0 and 0 4s are 0. So answer is what? 0. Understood all students? I hope you all are understood. So now last question, question number D. Then we are move on for the new exercise. Okay, new exercise means new question. So students, before starting anything, I hope you writing all things, all importance point. Okay, got my points? So question number D is what all students? Question number D is 9 multiply by 8 multiply by 1 minus 0 is equal to how many? We don't know. So again here we do the multiplication one by one. Okay, so first of all 9 multiply by 8 and then answer is multiply by 1. Okay, so 9 8s are 72. How many all students? Or 8 9s are 9 8s are. We are do here opposite things. 8 9s are. We don't know the table number 9. So that's why students we are say that here 8 multiply by 9. Okay, opposite side, so answer is same. Okay, 9 8s are 8 9s are 72. 72 multiply by 1, so any number multiply with 1, so answer itself 72 multiply by 1 is equal to 72. 72 ones are 72, then 72 is answer, and 72 minus 0, so 72 minus 0 is equal to 72. Okay, got my point, all students? This is your question number 2 is here done. Okay, so now let's start here the new question. Question number 3. What is the question number 3, all students? Question number 3 is complete. Okay, here complete the blanks. So we do here the complete the blanks. Now I am explaining you. Let's do start the what? Let's do start the question number 3. So now before starting question number 3, you write the instructions. Exercise number 4b, question number 3 complete. Now let's check what is the question number 3. So question number 3, in question number first is what? 1. 1 means A. 8 spider have legs. This is a spider. Okay, 8 spiders have a dash leg. Okay, so here students, here pictures of spider, and now we count here one spider has how many legs? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. Students, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. Here one spider have 8 legs. One spider has how many legs? 8. 2 to 4, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Again I am repeating 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. Got my point, students? So we have write first the one spider have 8 legs. Okay, so one spider have 8 legs. The question is what? 8 spider have how many legs? It means blanks, black means dash legs. So 8 spider and one spider has 8 legs. So 8 8s are 64. We have learned table number 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 14, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. So 8 spider have 64 legs. Okay, here is 8 spider in front of you and you count the legs. So how many total legs it have? 64 legs. How can we know 8 multiply by 8? 8 8s are 64. This 8 is for 8 legs. One spider has 8 legs, and here 8 spider. Got my point? So 64. Now we move on, all students. Let's check here. Okay, now we move on other question. But again I am repeating this question number A. 8 spider. Here 8 spider have a dash legs. Okay, so one spider have a how many legs, all students? We counted here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. One spider has 8 legs. So 8 spider has how many legs? We have find it here. So 8, first of all we write the strength of the spider here, 8 spider, and one spider has how many legs? 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Got my point, all students? 8 8s are 64. This is your question number first is done. So you should be right here the 64. I think you writing with me, all students. Okay, so you write with me in your fair book, and whenever we are completing here, that time you have write in your fair book with good handwriting. Okay, so now let's do here solve the question number B. What is the question number B? Question number B is what? 9 octopus have dash legs. Same question, but here different animal. That is a spider, and here octopus. Octo means 8. What? Octo means 8. Okay, so here how many leg of one octopus? 1 2 3 4 5 6. But there in further side how many? 2. So total how many leg it have? 8. Both legs is hidden at her head or mouth. Okay, octopus hide a 2 leg is into head or what? Head or mouth. So octopus, means octopus is a sea animal. It's living in ocean. It's living in ocean. Okay, octopus live in a ocean, and it has 8 legs. How many? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 is in back side. Okay, so 8 leg has 8 leg have okay, it have 8 legs. So 9 octopus have how many? We don't know. So one octopus have 8 legs. So 8 nines are how many? 8 nines are 72. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 14. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 6. So one octopus have 8 leg. So 8 nines are 72. Okay, we'll here what to do here? We learn the table again. We revise the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 14, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 nines are 72. How can we know? Here 8 leg. Okay, 8 leg. One octopus have 8 leg and 9 octopus have 72 legs. Okay, I hope you all are understood betterly. Now again students, again I am telling you this all things you are writing your book now with me, and then after students we move on new question. What is the new question? Exercise number 4b, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Exercise number 4b, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Exercise number 4b, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Got my point all students? So now let's check here the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Here blanks and multiply by 4 is equal to 32. We know here which table we are learning here, table number 8. So we easily know, okay, so table number 8. That's why we are putting 8. But we don't know here do the table number 8. How can we know? Here we are put here 8. So here let's check here. Any number we don't know. Any number multiply with 4. So 32. So 1 4 is 32 coming. 2 4 32 coming. No. 3 4 32 coming. 5 4 32. No. 5 4 not. 6 4 not. 7 4 not. 8 4 32. Is this possible? So what we do here? 8 4 32, and again we know the table number and we revise the table number 8. That time 4 times 8, 4 times 8 multiply 4 times, its answer 32. So that's why we are telling, and that's why we are putting easily 8. Okay, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and 8 4s are 32. So what should here answer we write? 32. 8 4s are 32. I hope you all are understood. Now we move on question number B. What is a question number B? Question number B is as like that. Question number B is what? 8 multiplied by dash is equal to 72. So here we know, here is first 8. So here we are using the table number 8. Okay, here we are utilize or use the table number 8. So 8 with which number we are multiply? So answer is get a 72. Answer is coming 72. So we revise the table number 8 again. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 14, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are 80. Understood? Good. My point all students. 8 9s are 72. So we write here 8 9s are 72 as like that. Understood all students? Now we move on question number C. What is the question number C, all students? Question number C is dash multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. But here we don't know the which table we are using here. So we have only idea. We have first do in first equation. We have only here no multiply by 8 is equal to 56. Okay, answer is 56. So 1 8 is a 56. Is this possible? 2 8 is a 56. Not is possible. 3 8 is a 56. No. 4 8 is a 56. No. 6 8 is a 46. No. 7 8 is a 46. Or 8 7 is a 46. We are crossing as like that. Okay, so what we write? 7 8 is a 56. 8 7 is a 56. We do both side. Okay, we do and check here the both side. 7 8 is a or 8 7 is a how many, all students? 56. So we should be right here the answer as like that 7, not a 56. 56 here is already. We are here writing 7. This number is missing. Okay, so that's why we are writing 7 multiplied by 8. 7 8 is a 56. Now I hope you all are understood, and now we move on question number 5. What is the question number 5? Use the first fact to find the second product. What? Use the first fact to find the second product. Use the first fact to find the second product. Use the first fact to find the second product. Now let's check here. Okay, here is the product. Here is 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. Means 8 4 is a 32. So further digit, how can we know 8 5 is a? Okay, 32. 8 4 is a 32. So 8 5 is a 14. We here what to do here? 32 plus 8. So 32 plus 8, how many, all students? 14. 32 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 8 5 is a 14. Understood? Now we move on question number B. What is the question number B? 8 multiplied by 3. 8 3 is a 24. And 8 4 is a we have done in the before question. See here, 8 4 is a 32. So here, what is the answer, all students? 32. Okay, 8 4 is a 32. 8 3 is a 24. So 8 4 is a 32. Okay, 24 plus 8. So how many of students? 24 plus 8, 32. Okay, do in your rough book, all students. Okay, again I am repeating you, all students. Okay, 8 multiplied by 3 means 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, and 8 4 is 32. So 34 plus 8. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 30. It is right? No. 24 plus 8. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 31 and 32 as like that. Okay, so 8 4 is 32. Again I am repeating you, all students. 8 3 is 24 and 8 4 is 32. How can it possible? We have learned in this example. Example number 1. 8 4 is 32 and 8 5 is 14. 32 plus 8. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 14. Understood? So answer is what? 14. 84 multiplied by 32 and 85 is equal to 14. 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 14. And here 8 3 is 24 and 8 4 is 32. 24 plus 8. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4 is 32. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood. And last question, 8 7s are 56 and 8 8s are 64. 8 7s are 56. Dekhiyo. So 8 8s are 64. 56 plus 64. Sorry, 56 plus 8. 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63 and 64. Okay, 88 sevens are 56, 56 plus 8, so 64, 8 eights are 64. So what we wrote here, 64. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now our session is done here, and I hope you all are right in your book, all students. Understood? So you all students, you have to do in table number 8, write in your rough book. Again, how many times? 2 to 3 times. Okay. Thank you all of you, and must be things here. Wash your hand with soap. Okay, or also your with sanitizer. I hope you all are using. Okay. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all students.